My dear students of intermediate first year session 2020 and 2021, most welcome and congratulations all of you. I am Vibhuti Bhushan Mondol, lecturer in English, Shohid Abul Kashem College, Koyabazar, Khulna. You know that today is the first day at college of your student life. Actually, on this day, every year we meet together in classroom and we communicate with each other, we share our views and opinions, but owing to the worldwide coronavirus, we have to meet through virtual system and we are not able to meet in classroom in our college. Actually, first day at college is a long cherished day for any student. It is also a turning point of any student's life. On this day, every student comes to his college with green dreams in his or her eyes, profound hope and love in their heart and mind, and they build up their future life and they will try to build up their future life depending on the result of this period of your life. You know that you have come to learn or read in this college. Your college is not very rich and gorgeous, but it has a very friendly atmosphere and you will get love and sympathy from all of your teachers and madams. Actually, on this day, we will introduce or we will be introduced with each other. And it is not possible to be introduced with all the students on this day, but it is not a problem. We will stay together for 2 years and day by day, month by month, we will be introduced with each other. We will share our opinions, views, etc. Today, I will try to say or I will try to tell you to follow some rules and points which you will follow and you will try to follow not only in your student life but also in your future life. At first, I want to say you that you have to follow the rules and regulations of this college, and you have to remember that you are a representative of your family, of your village, of your locality, and even of your country. Your family or your locality will be proud if you do something good, and your family or your locality will be ashamed if you do something bad or wrong. and you will be criticized and everybody will avoid you. So you will have to take promise that from this day you will try to be good, honest, patriot, sympathetic and dutiful and responsible. If you follow these rules, you will succeed not only in your student life but also in your future life. I know that you have come to this college with a great dream and profound hope. Actually, there is some differences between a school and a college. You know, and I will like to say that college is actually a wide environment and there is much freedom here. But freedom is not good if it is unbounded. There is a proverb that excess of anything is good, so you must enjoy freedom staying in a limit. So I will tell you that you always be considerate and what your teachers or madams say you will follow them. You know that we have a local dialect or local language, but I request you not to use local language in college or in any public function. We wear simple or ordinary dress in our home, in our village. But when we will attend any function or ceremony or any party, we will wear our clear and new and costly dress. Thus, our local dialect or language is our daily dress and our polished language is our costly dress. And if you do not practice speaking polished language, you will not be able to use it fluently. So I want to say that from today you must use polished language. Before, I have told that you are a representative of your family, locality and even of your country. So you have some duties to your family, to your locality, to your country. There is a proverb that a father lies in a child. Today you are child or student, but you are the future father, future leader of our nation and our country also. In this college, you will learn many things from your textbooks, your prescribed books and from your research lectures. But I would like to say that bookish knowledge is incomplete and this knowledge is helpful only for crossing the stair of examination. But if you want to enlighten yourself, if you want to widen the horizon of your knowledge, and if you want to be self-educated, you must read the books which are not actually prescribed in your syllabus. You will remember that there is a large world before you, and this world always attracts you. This world will always call you to meet him. So you must read outside books, and there is a library in our college, and you will take books from the library, and you will read the books with great interest, and you will divide your daytime, or you will prepare a daily routine, and following the daily routine you will read your class books and the outside books. You know that, and I also want to hope that all of you are genius, and I do believe that every student has something uncommon, and if the students try to discover or invent what is hidden in his or in them, they will be able to be successful in life. I would like to say that college is like also a family. We live in a family, and family has some members, and there is a guardian or father in a family. In this way, our college is a family. Teachers and students all of our members, and the principal of a college is the guardian or father of the college. I want to say that our principal is very good man. He is very helpful, he is very cooperative, and he always thinks what is good for the student. So if you fall in any problem or in any danger, you must inform it your principal or principal sir, and he will solve the problem. You get shelter under his umbrella or his shade. Okay, my dear students, I want to say that besides reading or knowing the text, at first you have to know about yourself, such as that there are some great men in our country, and some of your names are according to their names. You have to know about those great men. You have to know about your locality, about your district, the great men of your locality and of your country. We have to be patriot, so you have to read the national history of our country, and you will also read the history of other countries. You must love your country. That means we must love our country. We will read our history. We will respect our architect of our country, and we have to bear in mind that without respecting or loving country, society, culture, language, no nation can develop or no nation can prosper in its historical life. My dear students, I know that most of you have come from the surrounding villages or areas, and all of you have come from the different schools, and in this college, in this class, all of you are friends, brothers and sisters, and even the member of a family. So there must be a competition among them, but this competition will only be for examination, but all of you must be cooperative, helpful, friendly with each other. Of course, all of you will help each other if any student of any of your friends fall in any problem or fall in any danger. Okay, as today is the first day of your college, it is a unforgettable day, it is a memorable day, it is a long cherished day. So you must enjoy this day, and you know that in your English second paper you have to write an essay your first day at college. So today what you experienced must remember, and for writing the essay you will produce 2 days experience. So I want to say that first day at college is very important for any student, not only as a day. I would like to say that I have also told before that today is a turning point of your life. You have to decide what path you will take in future, what career you will choose in future. You will become a doctor or an engineer or a leader or a politician or a teacher, whatever you like. You must decide. You have to firmly decided what will be your future career or future profession. You know that there is a proverb that a man without an aim is like a boat without a rudder. Thus, your aim is like your rudder, and this rudder will guide you, and your fixed decision will help you to reach your goal. Okay, my dear students, again I congratulate you. I hope you will enjoy this day, and another teacher will come to meet you. I hope in the next class I will discuss about your syllabus and what we will discuss in the classes. Okay, thank you very much.